Hey everybody, and welcome back to Free Friday. What's happening? Thank you very, very much. All right. Yeah, welcome back to Free Friday, y'all. Just sitting on my porch, sick as a dog. Just got back from Germany. Oh boy, here comes the rain. Damn.
Good thing I called Betty Boomba.
Just came barreling down.
Sheets of rain.
I don't know what this is. Is this for you or for me? All right. Anyway, there we go. So much for the Porch Free Friday. Here we go. We'll do it in here. In the hallway. All right. So here we go. Get this hat off. Here we go. So we got this pretty combination of notes. It's from the major pentatonic scale, and we're going to do it on 3 chords of a blues, okay? Let's get some light in here. There we go. It's a little better. Okay. So this is a really wonderful kind of pretty melody that you can use. You can mix it up with like blue notes, like flat 7s, flat 3rds, and flat 5s to make it a little darker. But it really has a nice Louisiana vibe. And I first kind of heard this combination of notes like hit me emotionally from a Paul Butterfield song called The Bread Line. All right, so let's take a look at the first one. It's 3 draw, 4 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw. Just like that. Now, on the 4 chord, it's going to be 5 blow, 6 blow, 6 draw, 6 blow. So put them together. And that was with the root note of each chord on the top. Without that, just starting on the 3rd or the 3 draw. And then on the 5 chord, it's the same combination of notes, just on that particular chord. It'll be a D chord respectively. It's going to be 2 half-step bend, 3 double bend, 3 draw, 3 double bend. Now that may seem really hard, but remember that the amount of pressure that it takes to make the 2 half-step bend is identical to the amount of pressure that it takes to make the 3 double bend. So that's me trilling between the 2 half-step bend and the 3 double bend. So all you got to do is slide up to that 3 draw after you hit that 3 double bend. Okay, so that's the academic part. That's the memorization part. Now we're going to just use it in some music. So we have the root of each chord on 1, 2 draw, and 6 blow. Same note. By the way, I'm using a cool Blue Moon refurbished pre-war Marine Band in C. Look at that old sucker. It sounds gorgeous. You can get these from Tom at Blue Moon Harmonicas. Okay, so let's use it in some music. So my root of 1, 2 draw, or this chord here. Somebody asked me what a chord was today. It's just 3 notes: root, third, and fifth. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, da. So you count up the major scale, you grab the first note of that, and then the third note of that, and then the fifth note of that. You put them together, you got a chord, right? You put them together one by one. Now you're arpeggiating a chord. And what we're really doing here is arpeggiating a 6 chord on each on each bar. On each change of a blues. One. Let's put it into a song. All right, so you can see how cool it is, and you know, I'm just changing it up and improvising a little. These are my notes, right? Just 3 notes on each chord. Just those 3 notes on each chord, but I can do lots of stuff, especially if I mix it with the root. And then you just start mixing that into your other playing, like you just start putting in other little licks and riffs and adding in extra notes. Ready? So here we go. All right, and then you can put in little bends coming up into it. All that kind of stuff. All right, let's play some music with it and just do some improvisation around that whole thing. So I'll just start with like a regular, we'll change up the groove. I was kind of playing like a 6/8 Louisiana feel, like kind of that ballad kind of feel, but let's just change. Try it on like a shuffle feel. Here we go. Yeah, it's just real pretty. I use it all the time, just like. put in a 7. And you can do it backwards too, right? Like, or any combination of those notes is they're all just really pretty. Yeah, just that's really, really nice. Man, I'm sick as a dog. That's it for Free Friday. Just work with those notes, right? On each chord, 1, 4, and 5. Mix it up with root notes. Just 6-chord arpeggios on each chord, but that's a little lick you can do with each one. You can think of it as the major pentatonic scale from each chord, or partial 6-chord arpeggio lick. Have fun. Grandmothers like it, dogs like it, hedgehogs like it, possums like it, ferrets like it, raccoons like it, wolves like it. Wolves hunt in packs because they stick together with each other. Make some music. You can make music if you want to make music, if you have people that you want to make music with.